Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, it is going to be the part 2 from the video that I uploaded a few hours ago, where I was doing the unboxings, and I pretty much run out of time to get into the main thing that I was looking forward to showcasing on the video. So I decided to make it into 2 separate halves, and this is the final piece that we have left to unbox. I've just chucked my Queen's Beast Completers bars on some stands at the back there, so gives it a little bit of a Queen's Beast Completer bar feel, and that is because what we have inside here is going to end up inside here. So without spoiling it too much, let's get straight into it. Now, you've actually probably or definitely already seen what's inside this box if you're following my channel along, because the way I plan to first show this piece on my channel is in a video that I plan to release within the next day or so. So basically you would have already seen this piece, and this is the first time I'm seeing it, and what I've just said will kind of make a little bit more sense after you've watched that video that I uploaded a couple of days ago. But let's have a look at this piece for the very first time. Now, extremely excited and apprehensive about seeing how this looks. So I sent this piece away and it's not been with me for around about a week now. So it's been really tricky to try and make content with it still being featured using old footage to make it look like I still had this piece in my possession. But as you can see, it is from the Coin Cutter. And for those of you that follow Coin Noob on TikTok or on YouTube, you will already probably be able to guess what is inside here and what I've gone and done. So let's have a little look at how this, wow, already look at that. Wow, this looks absolutely incredible. So this is a 10-ounce Queen's Beast Completer bar made into a jigsaw by the Coin Cutter. Now, I will leave a link to the Coin Cutter's TikTok channel in today's video description. So do head over and show him some love. If you've got TikTok, go and give him a follow. But this is basically what he does. He gets coins and bars, and he started off doing it with 50p's. So you can see that compared to the things that he started practicing with, this is, I think, the largest piece he's actually done to date. I think up until I sent this to him, he'd only done a 5-ounce copper round. So this is really the next level up. 10 ounces of silver. And this is absolutely incredible. Now, I don't really want to take it apart and mess around with it too much on today's video, because I've got the video to get on with filming where I showcase this for the very first time on my channel. So, like I said, if you've already watched that video, this video will make a little bit more sense, because this video is going to be uploaded after that video. But for now, we're going to transfer it into this capsule very carefully so it doesn't all come apart. But this looks absolutely incredible. Oh, it's already coming apart. That didn't go to plan. Can we do it? Look at that. This is so cool. This is actually amazing. So first of all, I want to say a massive thank you to Coin Noob for showing this guy's channel off in the first place, because if it wasn't for Coin Noob getting his little John coin made into a jigsaw, I never would have even heard of this bloke. So massive thank you first to Coin Noob, and then a massive thank you to the Coin Cutter who did this piece for me. As you can see, absolutely incredible. Really, really nice, chunky puzzle pieces. And what an absolutely incredible work of art this is. Now, some people might think the opposite. Some people might think I've ruined a perfectly good bar. But I think I've done the opposite. I think I've made a really, really cool piece. something that I'll be able to showcase on many videos in the future. And it's actually harder to get together than I thought it would be, because it's quite a tight fitting capsule. You've really got to jiggle the pieces around to get them to fit in. Hang on a minute, let me take that bit back out and try that side first. No, I think we're going to have to take it all apart. Should we adjust the camera down a little bit so you can actually have a better look? So let's take these apart and let's work on doing, what should we do here? It's very hard to see around the camera, the design. This is absolutely amazing. So cool. Now let me know in the comment section what you think of this piece, because this is not going to be everyone's cup of tea, because I know how popular these bars are, but for me, I think this is absolutely amazing. I think this is going to bring hours of fun. I'm going to really enjoy taking this apart and putting it back together. It would be a lot easier if I was doing this when it wasn't in the capsule, because obviously you've got the capsule that's really restricting how I'm putting this back together. I think I'm going to have to do it off camera. It's actually harder than you think. Even though these puzzle pieces are large pieces, it's actually harder than you think to do the puzzle. So that one you've got, Coin Noob, if you're watching today's video. No wonder it's so difficult to put them together, because I'm struggling with a 10-ounce piece, and the one that you had made was a 1-ounce piece, so the pieces are even more fiddly to do. There we go. Right, we've got that in now. There we go. Right, we're getting somewhere. We're cooking with gas. Look at that. Each piece looks absolutely incredible. I can't wait to film the video that I'm about to film, where I first reveal this piece on my channel. It'll be so interesting to see what people think of this piece in the comment section. Well, I think I'm going to have to complete this off camera. It's very hard to see which. Let's try and have a little look here. What have we got? Let's tip it up. There we go. Right, we can see a little bit better now. So we've got the... So that should go there. There we go. And that goes in there. There we go, we've done it. So a little bit of wiggling around and we finally got it in the capsule. Now, like I said, it makes it really tricky to put this back in when it's in the capsule, because you've got the edges of the capsule restricting the movement of each piece. And that will be a hell of a lot easier to put together, I'm guessing, when it's not in the capsule. But look at that. Absolutely incredible. So again, a massive thank you to the coin cutter. Please do head over and show him some love. I love the fact that you can still see all of the Queen's beasts very easily, because how large the puzzle pieces are, it doesn't really distort the images. So that's a really good positive. I wasn't sure how well you'd be able to see each of the beasts once this was done. But yeah, really cool. Absolutely incredible. And I'm going to stop the video there, because now I'm going to go and film the first time you're going to see this on my channel. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that video interesting, something a little bit different. I like to do things a little bit different on this channel. And like I said, full credit goes to Coin Noob for first showing me this guy and giving me the inspiration for today's video. So thanks very much for watching, and I hope you all have a very nice day.